Hello everyone, good evening. So today I am going to tell you about my transformation. Going ahead, I would like to give my introduction. Myself Kajol Bhalerao. I am learning in MA Part 2 and I am also student of Step by Step English Speaking Institute from Gold Batch. So before some days I can't able any one sentence of English with someone's. I have no confidence, I have no fluency, I can't able to speak in English, and my vocabulary also very weak. Nowadays I can able to speak in English with anywhere and with anyone because I got right environment, right guidance, and I got confidence now because of practice. It only happened by practice. I got right guidance, I got right environment. So in that environment I am doing practice daily. So because of that, in my speaking I got fluency. I can improve my English very much. I can increase my vocabulary, and also my confidence is very developed now. Now I have that confidence to speak with anyone in English. I am not fear now. Before some days I was fearing so much to speak in English, but now I can speak in English with anyone, and also with that person who are educated. Like that persons I can able to speak in English now, and also I got confidence of stage. Now I don't fear to go on stage and speak there. I every time ready to go on stage and speak there. So that all things I got, and my English also very improved. So this is my transformation, and thank you so much for watching and listening me. Thank you.